Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we want to look at how we apply the significant figures rules when adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing. The first thing we'll look at is how we perform calculations when we are adding or subtracting. So basically when you are adding or subtracting, always you should remember that the answer should be rounded off to the least decimal place. So your answer should be rounded off to the least decimal place. So look at the example we have. We have 12.11 plus 18.0 plus 1.013. So let's look at the decimal places for 12.11. 12.11 as 2 decimal place, then 18.0 as 1 decimal place, then 1.013 as 3 decimal places. So if you add these numbers, you will find that your answer is 31.123. Now 31.123 has 3 decimal places. So if you look at the question, the least decimal place is 1. So our answer should show that it should have 1 decimal place. So in this vein, the correct answer is 31.1, since 18.0 is the least decimal place. Let's look at when you are multiplying or dividing. When you are multiplying or dividing, we are saying you should look at the least significant figures. So the least significant figures will help you to arrive at the correct rounded off answer. So there's this difference, as we have noticed. When you're adding and subtracting, we are looking at the least decimal place. When you are multiplying and dividing, we are looking at the least significant figures. So let's look at the example we have. We have 4.56 multiplied by 1.6. Now when you look at this, 4.56 as 3 significant figures, then 1.4 as 2 significant figures. So if you multiply this, you are getting your answer as 6.38. 6.38 as 3 significant figures. Now we ask ourselves, which one is the least significant figures from the numbers we multiplied? You agree with me that 1.2 is the least significant figure. It has 2 significant figures. So our answer then should have only 2 significant figures. So 6.4 is the correct significant figure, or is the correct answer, because we have rounded off 6.38 to 6.4 so that we have 2 significant figures, which is the least significant. Hope the video was helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Cleopas Zulu and the Facebook page Zuluwa Consultants for this and more videos.